Assalamu alaikum. The topic of our discussion is phylum Arthropoda. In this phylum, we will discuss definition of Arthropoda, examples, general characteristics of arthropods, and classification, and at last, importance of Arthropoda. First of all, we will discuss phylum Arthropoda. An arthropod is an invertebrate animal having an exoskeleton, a segmented body, and jointed appendages. Arthropods form the phylum Arthropoda, which include the insects, arachnids, myriapods, and crustaceans. They have conquered land, sea, and air and make up of over three-fourths of all currently known living and fossil organisms, or over 1 million species. Since many arthropod species remain undocumented or undiscovered, especially in tropical rainforests, the true number of living arthropod species is probably in tens of millions. One recently discovered estimate puts that the number of arthropod species in tropical forest at 6 to 9 million species. And these are the representative members of this phylum. These are some more examples like spider, crab, horseshoe crabs, millipedes and centipedes, and these are the diagrams of this phylum. General characteristics of Arthropoda. Aristotle described crabs and some decapods. He grouped them as Melacostraca in insects. It is the largest phylum of animal kingdom. And the first characteristic is these animals are multicellular, triploblastic, bilaterally symmetrical animals. Some of the anterior segments show sphealization, forming a distinct sphalic region. Second one is body segmented. Segments are limited. Each segment bears a pair of appendages. They are jointed. Third one is the body is covered by exoskeleton. It is made by chitin. The exoskeleton project inside. The projections are useful for muscle attachment. Fourth one is the exoskeleton is cast off periodically and new one is secreted. It is called ecdysis. Tubular dorsal heart is present in this group. Next, true slough is greatly reduced. It is represented only by the cavities of reproductive and excretory organs. The blood is colorless. Circulatory system is open type or lacunar type. The nervous system shows nerve ring and double ventral nerve cord. Nephridia are absent. Excretion is by Malpighian tubules, green glands, and Coxer glands. And these are the representative members or internal anatomy of this group. Antigoles are present in Arthropoda. Striated muscles are present. Compound eyes are present. Cilia and flagella are entirely absent. Respiration is by gills or by trachea or by bookings or by gill books, etc. Sexes are separate. Sexual dimorphism seen. Gonads and their ducts are paired. Development is direct or indirect. The life history may include a number of larval forms, and you can see here its complete structure. Now we will discuss classification of arthropoda. The major classes living arthropods includes crustaceans. In this class, crabs, lobsters, shrimps, branchials, bodilis, etc. are included. Myriapods. In this class, millipedes, centipedes, etc. are included. And arachnids, scorpions, king crabs, spiders, mites, ticks, etc. are included in this group. Now we will discuss first class of this group like Crustacea class. The Crustacea class is split into small groups called orders. Below is a list of some crustacean orders. Number 1 is Decapoda order called decapods, include crayfish, crabs, shrimps. Isopoda order called isopods include pilmugs and showbugs. Amphipoda order called amphipods include scuds. Cladocera order includes water fleas. Anastraca order includes fairy shrimps. And these are the representative members of this class. Next class is Myriapoda class. In this class, centipedes and millipedes are included. There are more than 3,000 species of centipedes alive today. Members of this group include stone centipedes, tropical centipedes, soil centipedes, and house centipedes. Centipedes are carnivorous and first segment of their body is equipped with a pair of enormous claws. Millipedes, there are about 12,000 species of millipedes alive today, and these are the representative member of this class. Arachnida. The class Arachnida is divided into orders and subclasses organized by common characteristics. These include order Arania spiders, order Europagi white scorpions, order Opilians harvestmen, order pseudoscorpions, Schizomoda short-tailed white scorpions, order Scorpionesis scorpions, order Solifer wind scorpions, and these are ticks and mites, and these are the representative member of this class. Now we will discuss the importance of phylum Arthropoda. Arthropods are a popular source of food to humans and also have other ecological roles. Some common arthropods that are good source of food are crustaceans such as crabs and prawns. The arthropod class of animals include insects which also have important ecological and economic roles. Because crustaceans are a popular source of food in many parts of the world, many people depend on fishing for them and selling them in order to make income. In fact, in some Asian countries, crustaceans are a staple food in their diet. Insects also play a huge role in most economic in the world. For instance, they are main agents responsible for pollination. This is a process that is necessary in the growth of plants. The lack of pollinating insects would reduce food plants production while would then reduce the world's food storage, and you can see here examples that hawk and people use them. Some insects are also involved in producing goods that are important in the economy. Examples of such goods include silk, honey, and wax. These are just a few of the way which arthropods contribute to the economy in many parts of the world. It is evident that there are more important role than many people give them credit for, and these are used. You can see here some examples as a food.